crowd going crazy here at the Tribhuvan University International Cricket Ground. This is what we live for. Here we go, ball number 1 of the 50th over. Nandan Yadav hits it straight down the ground and it's gone flat. Starts with a 4. Poor ball from Nandan Yadav and Khuzaima bin Tanveer has hammered that for 4.
9 with 5 huge hits. He's brought the life back to the UAE squad and must feel that he needs to cross the line now.
Setbacks are opportunities for comebacks, and that is what Khuzaima has shown here today. Was struggling in the first innings, but what a way. Short ball that's in the air. This could be a chance. Is it? Will be taken. And the game changes. It's tied as Khuzaima is out on 49 and Nandan Yadav has brought Nepal back in the game. What a moment this is in this game. Nandan Yadav sends Khuzaima bin Tanveer.
The cardiac kids, and rightly so. Again, the game shifts, and all those things that you would wish for whenever you see Nepal playing UAE at this venue. See a very well directed slower bouncer. Khuzaima almost knew it was coming his way. Didn't quite middle it, and safe pair of hands. Dipendra Singh Ari wouldn't drop that. Khuzaima heads back to after playing a
swing and a miss. Wants the run. Junaid Siddiqui will be run out. Akshdeep Nath wanted to come on strike and Junaid Siddiqui had to sacrifice his wicket. Another wicket falls, but more importantly, it's a dot ball.
Again, the pendulum swings as it has done throughout the course of this match. And it had to come down to the last over, shouldn't it? See there, slow delivery executed brilliantly and good thinking there by Binod, just passing on that ball to Nandan and he executes a very simple run out. But the main important thing here for UAE is that Akshdeep Nath is on strike and he does have 3 deliveries to win it for the...
Short ball up and over, extra cover. This is smart batting from Akshdeep Nath. Knew where he was going to bowl it and he's managed to play that up and over for 4 runs.
He's played the field absolutely brilliantly here, Akshdeep. Just gave himself some room, knew the mid-off fielder was up inside the circle and look at that shot. Just going up and over.
Short ball asking for a wide. It's a dot ball and what an important dot ball this is. Nandan Yadav went for the short delivery and it's gone over Akshdeep Nath. And there it is. Nepal have held their own under pressure. Nandan Yadav has bowled one of the most important overs of his young career. Proves to be the hero for Nepal and ensures that they get those 2 points. Nepal won the game by 6 runs. And yet another classic game of one-day cricket between UAE and Nepal. Loud roar, huge cheer and a sigh of relief for the Nepal players as they win this game and win it by 6 runs.
It's the last delivery needed to be a 6 for things to be tied up. As for Nandan, he's redeemed himself. It's a bit expensive, no doubt about it, but then he's bowled a very important over under pressure. Nepal prevail. They take the much needed 2 points. Excellent result here for the home side.